The neighborhood jhalmuri wala which always takes. There's one who stands right outside Presidency College.
Okay.
He has an amazing meaty chutney. Whenever I can get my hands on an Elish, I do a Bhapa Elish. I do, yeah. Kasundi is always at home.
तो सर वेलकम टू कोलकाता। सो कोलकाता में कहाँ घूमे, मतलब 2 दिन से आप कोलकाता में घूम ही रहे हैं, आप सुने हम लोग।
मैं इस बार एक्चुअली अभी तक कहीं नहीं घुमा हूँ, बट
Okay.
प्लान ये है कि एटलीस्ट ए क्विक राउंड टू कालिका फॉर तेले भाजा एंड मे बी if I get the chance then maybe Nakur and Balaram Malik for Shandesh.
ओके। सो अगर तेले भाजा की बात कर रहे हैं तो तेले भाजा यहाँ के कौन से एरिया की ज्यादा पसंद आती है आपको?
Kalika, for me it is always Kalika. In behind College Street, it's right behind. अगर आप सीधे जाएंगे कॉफी होम से, it's right there.
ओके। अगर आपसे पूछा जाए, अगर 5 ऐसे कोई आउटलेट जिनके जहां आप रिकमेंड करते हो कोलकाता के लोगों को कि आप जाओ खाना खाओ वहां, मतलब ऐसी चीजें हैं?
So I feel
एक तो तेले भाजा का बोल दिया
तेरे
आप।
भाजा है, but I think in terms of Shandesh, I think Nakur does one of the most amazing kanchagullas. Balaram Malik does one of the most amazing jol bhoras. I always say there's always the neighborhood jhalmuri wala which always takes. There's one who stands right outside Presidency College.
ओके।
He has an amazing meaty chutney. Every time sort of I get the spice, he compensates for it. There is that guy. I also, when I feel like dining well, I go to Sonar Tori.
ओके।
Some great Bengali food and some great varieties of rice. Sonar Tori is always about lessons in rice for me.
तो रणवीर बार कपड़े भी खरीदते हैं अपने हिसाब से या फिर फूड पे ही ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं?
नहीं, फूड पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, कपड़े लोग खरीद के दे देते हैं।
कोलकाता में ऐसी खास कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपको ज्यादा मतलब अट्रैक्ट करती है?
I think it's the importance given to culture, importance given to the small finer things in life, which other cities is sort of getting homogenized. You know, आप बाकी शहरों पे एक कलई होती जा रही है. Every city is looking like another. Kolkata in this whole rut is still Kolkata. You know, and I think that is beautiful about the city.
और इस वक्त आप एक्टर भी हैं और आपकी वैभवी रही है सामने, प्लीज उसके बारे में अगर थोड़ा सा हमें बताएं। We're just waiting to hear from
So
you.
so we did a film called The Buckingham Murders. It's with Kareena. It's releasing on the 13th of September in theaters. और मैं बहुत नर्वस भी हूँ, एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, पहली फिल्म है। इससे पहले वेब सीरीज करी थी, अभी फिल्म करी है। Hopefully the film does well, and I found it very interesting to take on acting as a chef. It helped me express myself better, understand expression better.
कब आपको समझ में आया कि आपके अंदर वो कीड़ा है, मतलब एक्टिंग वाली कीड़ा है आप में?
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया actually. You know, I did Modern Love Mumbai, then I saw myself on the screen as not Ranveer. Otherwise you've seen yourself so much as Ranveer, na? So when you saw yourself as not Ranveer, as somebody else but Ranveer, and you seemed slightly convinced. So मुझे लगा कि नहीं, I can sort of I can be other people.
Okay.
I was initially scared that other person might stay inside me, and then maybe I'm not Ranveer anymore because Ranveer is such a strong personality. But the other person leaves a little bit of goodness inside you know, and that's what I love. That's what I now like about acting.
और बकिंघम मार्डर्स के बारे में आप मतलब फिल्म में आपकी क्या किरदार है आपका? अगर
So I am playing Diljit Kohli.
Okay.
In the film. As it's shown in the trailer, it's about the murder of my son in the film. That's what the murder mystery is about.
कोई कनेक्शन है मतलब आपकी निजी जिंदगी से और इस कैरेक्टर के साथ कहीं पे कोई कुछ?
Not really. और शायद कोशिश भी मेरी यही थी कि पिछले मॉडर्न लव मुंबई में एक शेफ का रोल किया. इस बार कोशिश ये थी कि अगर if you want to take on acting full on, then you should be somebody that you're completely not, and then that is the real test, that you're able to convince people whether you can be that guy or not. So this guy is not a chef. There is no similarity between me and him. Yeah, it's the greyest you'd ever see me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. So कैसा था मतलब experience with Kareena?
It was very good. I mean, she's very. It was for me. It was just I was mostly in awe to see her at work. She's the way she understands the script, the way she understands the nuances, the way she's ahead of the game. And suddenly, when she hears the word action, she's a different person. For me, it was just I was mostly in awe throughout the shoot.
ओके और अगर आपको कहीं पे अगर बांग्ला फिल्म के लिए अगर ऑफर किया जाए या रीजनल फिल्म में कहीं और ऑफर किया जाए क्या आप ओपन है उसके लिए?
Absolutely, Bangla film any day. I think one of the most bold and evolved uh, cinema is Bangla cinema. It doesn't hold back. Me as an individual, I don't hold back, and yeah, never say no.
वोकैबुलरी में ऐसी कौन सी 3 शब्द जो इस बार आपने जोड़े बांग्ला शब्द कोई सीखे?
मतलब इतनी बांग्ला तो আমি বুঝতে পারি বাংলা complete. So,
Oh,
yeah, I lived in Bangali Tola in Lucknow. I lived with. We were the only Punjabi family in 50 Bengali families. So I grew up eating rohu and ilish.
so you're quite acquainted with the
I'm acquainted.
taste.
If you say it, I'll completely get what you're saying. I won't acknowledge it because I want to listen to what you're saying, but
Okay.
I get it.
তাহলে ইলিশ মাছের কাঁটা ছাড়িয়ে খেতে পারেন?
Absolutely. Ilish macher kata ka chorchari. For me, that is outstanding. A big ilish, just the chorchari or the bones. You should try that sometime.
माय गुडनेस अच्छा इतने तो बंगाली हम भी नहीं है जितना कुछ आपने अभी बता दिया.
उत्पल दत्त की फेवरेट थी
हाँ
कातला. कातला का जो बैकबोन होता है ना उसका
हाँ.
चौरचुरी.
अच्छा सो आपके घर में बनती है मतलब आप बनाते हैं कुछ बंगाली कुछ टच डाल के या कुछ ऐसा कुछ होता है आपके रेस्टोरेंट्स में मिलते हैं कुछ बंगाली फूड या जो आप
Even in our Dubai restaurant, we do a very basic macher jhol with Govinda Bhog.
ओह
We do a khichdi sometimes. Uh, at home, when I cook, whenever I can get my hands on an Ilish, I do a Bhapa Ilish. I do, yeah. Kasundi is always at home.
ओके लास्ट क्वेश्चन रिसेंट आरजीकर इंसिडेंट जो अभी चल रहा है तो उसके बारे में इफ यू कुड
Sorry,
शेयर
what is that?
आरजीकर इंसिडेंट दैट द डॉक्टर
No, I don't want to comment on that, sir.
okay last if you could share a few words to the viewers of Kolkata who are watching you right now.
Well, I'm just sort of every time I come here, there's more to look up to. There's more to get inspired, and and I just look forward to coming here and taking back something every time. Kolkata never disappoints you.
Thank you.